Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. All right, we're looking at a front differential. Check the fluid level and a drain and fill, actually. 2015 Toyota 4runner, all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, I guess, either way. So this is a 10 millimeter Allen. That's the drain. Here's the fill up here. I've already loosened it. Got a drain pan down below. So you can take this out, stick your finger in there. If you touch something, that's good. It is looking a little darky dark. We're going to change it. That's what it's here for. Got my drain pan underneath it already. Very easy. Both were 10 millimeter Allens. Left to loosen and right to tighten. So I'm going to raise up my drain pan and take this lower plug out. Comes out real nice and easy. Just going to spin this baby out. It's got a copper gasket on, probably on both. There we go. Fluid's coming out. Kind of dark. Not too much to it. We'll let it drain out for a while, as long as you want. And then we'll put the drain plug back in and fill it up. Calls for genuine 75-85 gear lube. And you can get bottles like this with a tip in it, so you can squeeze it in. We have a pump, so we're going to be pumping it in, but you can buy these in all different flavors. So we're here in Oregon. The temperature doesn't change a lot, so we can maybe be a little more free with our fluid as far as weight, so we're gonna pump a little bit in, and then that'll be it. So the front capacity is about 1.5 quarts. So probably buy yourself 2 quarts. Squeeze it in there. You might get yourself a little section of hose too, or you can actually buy some kind of little pumping device while you're at the parts store picking stuff up. They make those that screw on the containers, and you can pump the fluid in with a little pumper, but just be squeezing the fluid in there. Actually, I usually squeeze it till it runs out, and then you know it's full to a trickle, and then you put the plug in, and then you're done. So very easy to drain and fill your differential fluid. Magnet built into the drain, so you don't wipe that off. You can see there's not a lot on there. It's pretty clean. So fill drain plug right here we took out with the gunk and the magnet, clean it up. Torque is 48 foot-pounds. The fill plug is 29 foot-pounds on that for you.